Hi friends, for these nails we're only going to need top coat, glue gel for my full cover tips, my pink rhinestones, and this pink foil right here, and also my AzureBeauty dip powder kit. Now from the dip powder kit, I've got the base, the activator, and color 22, which is this bright, clean, white color. So I'm going to apply and shape my tips, and I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I didn't realize it wasn't recording, but that's okay because I've only done one layer. And what you're meant to do is apply the base all over the nail, clean up the sides, and then pour the powder all over the nails. Then you have to wait 30 seconds for the powder to set. And then after 30 seconds, you get your brush and wipe up the excess powder on the nails. Then you repeat the process to get your desired shape. Now the reason why I did full cover tips is because I really didn't want to build an apex from scratch. My main focus now is going to be building from the middle of the tip down to the end to give it a nice shape. If you've watched this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe because I got so much fun stuff coming up. Also, AzureBeauty sent me another package. So I've got more dip powder nails coming up and more unboxings. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the nails and I'll see you towards the end.
I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love for you. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love for you. I will. I'm waiting for the touch. For the touch. The touch. The touch. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. For you I will.
at my worst time. Hold me closer so I feel fine. Oh, yeah. Oh, nah. Cause the way you move on like you do, give me the West Side Blues, yeah. Cause the way you move on like you do, give me the West Side Blues, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Okay, I've set my nails. The only nail I didn't do on camera is my ring finger. That's because I'm going to be filming it vertically for YouTube Shorts and TikTok and stuff. And this is a design I'm going to be doing. Just these pink rhinestones. Very simple, but so cute at the same time. So I finished filing off camera and these are what my nails look like. You can see the ring fingers done and I just love it. Now for the nail art, I plan to use the foil to go all down the sides of my nails, like in like a V shape. And this is my first time using like loose foil and it was actually better than I thought. I used base coat to adhere the foil to my nail and then I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds. As I was doing this thumb, I just kept thinking, I don't think this foil will be enough for the rest of my fingers. So I was almost like skimping on it, like being really tight with it. I was thinking if I run out, I would just figure something out, like freestyle or improvise, you know. So everything's going really well with the foil, and then I wanted to clean it up and like make the line look sharper. So I grabbed my brush, got a bit of rubbing alcohol, and I tried to clean up the line. And then the color just kept running all over the nail, and I did not like it because I really wanted the white to be really white. So you can see the streaks of pink in the nail, which just upset me. And then I realized what I should have done was top coat my nail first, so the white will be protected, then do the foil design. So that was the plan. I was gonna top coat the rest of my nails first, cure it, and then do the foil design. But as I was applying the top coat, I literally just fell in love with how nice it looked. It just looked so perfect and clean and neat. And I felt like doing anything else to my nails would just like destroy the perfection. Like I couldn't stop looking at it. So that was it. Last minute, I changed my mind. So I'm going to apply my cuticle oil. And let me know, guys, what do you think of my decision? Like, do you think I should have gone with the foil all over? And I'm still open to the design. Like, I really liked the idea. So I might do it in the future, maybe. But these nails, oh my days. I'm just going to let you guys look at it. Let me know what you think. I'm still happy I did the thumb. It's like a cute little accent nail. Like it looks nice. But I'm even happier with the rest of my nails. Thank you all for watching, everyone. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.